Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and today's video is about what course I am doing to get a 3-year work permit. So as you guys know that I am doing a wireless networking course right now, and that is an 11-month course for 3 semesters. So I was supposed to take another course to get a 3-year work permit, because if I do a 11-month course I can only get a 16-month work permit, but I don't want that. I need a 3-year work permit. So people generally get a 2-year course from their home country itself, but I did not have that option because I was not getting the courses that I was thinking of doing. I was not getting courses up to my interest. So I took this 11-month course for myself, that is of wireless networking, and now I am doing a bridging course for a semester only. So the point is that my college, that is George Brown College, does provide a bridging course for people who want a 3-year work permit and they have already done a 11-month course. So as I have done 11-month course, they gave us 2 options. George Brown College in particular, I don't know about any other college, and I don't think that any other college provides with a bridging course as for what I know. So if you do an 8-month course, that is for 2 semesters, you actually have to do another 8-month course for another 2 semesters to get a 3-year work permit. But in my case, I have already done 11 months and 3 semesters. I just need to do another semester. So that is why I am doing this bridging course that is provided by my college. They actually provided us with 2 options. One of them actually required for us to do CCNA, that is Cisco Certified Network Associate certification, before we graduate from that course. Otherwise we won't be called a graduate from that course. So the prerequisite for that course to be graduated was to get a CCNA. So I don't work really great under pressure, so I chose the other one. The other one is Network and System Security Analysis. So that course is just related to my course, what I'm doing right now, and it is just an advanced level of that. So that is why I chose that course, and that is how my college actually provides bridging courses for people who do 11 months. Even if in my college, in George Brown College, if you went for a 8 months course, that is for 2 semesters, you will have to do another 2 semesters and 8 months course in order to get a 3-year work permit. So the basic thing is that you have to show a 16 months of education and 4 semesters to get a 3-year work permit. So that is what I'm doing. So I've already done 3 semesters and only 1 semester is left. That is what I'm doing in the next bridging course. So yes, that is how it is going to work. And you guys had a lot of questions, as I mentioned in one of my videos, that I am doing another course. So I just hope that I've answered all your questions, and I hope that you like this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time with my next video. Bye.